Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through what's in my Disney Parks bag, so keep watching for some fun travel tips and Disney World hacks. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through what is in my Disney Parks bag. So in this vlog you can expect lots of Disney themed things. I'm a huge Disney fan, so there's lots of Disney stuff inside this Disney bag, and I'm going to be talking you through some travel tips, some Disney park hacks, stuff that you'll need maybe for getting to the park, kind of travel stuff that you need in the park, and stuff that you might need after the park for your stay, maybe in Disneyland or Disney World. So let's get started and let's talk through what is in this bag. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can keep making more fabulous videos like this Disney one. And if you're not new, then welcome back, guys, and thank you for watching all of my videos. And let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to open up the Disney bag. So let me first talk about this. This is my Tinker Bell backpack, and I've had this for ages now. I used to have it on me when I was in secondary school. In my last year of secondary school, I think I was like 17 or 18, and I still had a Disney bag. I was like, I don't care what anybody thinks. I'm a huge Disney fan and I'm going to show it. I'm going to be proud of my Disney roots. I absolutely love it. I love the colour purple, and then of course Tinkerbell is absolutely one of my favourites. I'm obsessed with all the Tinkerbell movies. I love Peter Pan, the original story. So there's a few little pockets. Oh, look who's peeking out the side there. We might as well start with Minnie Mouse, my little Tsum Tsum, or like a medium-sized Tsum Tsum you could say, and she does this. I love her, and I love to bring like a little teddy or one of my little Disney items to a Disney trip, because that way when I'm getting my photos in front of the castle or anything like that, it's always fun to have like a little toy there with you that you can like feature in the photo, or like pop it on your shoulder and just get really into the Disney theme. And it's always fun to snuggle into a little teddy at night as well. I thought this was really, really cute, and to keep me company on the Disney park trip or whatever, even in the airport and stuff, it's really fun to have something to cuddle into. So that's why I thought I would include Minnie. So I'll leave her over there for the moment. She's so adorable. But what else is inside the bag? This bag is literally stuffed full of stuff. You won't believe how much I managed to pack in here. Okay, so first thing on top is a little Disney World top, which I actually got given as a present when I was much younger, but I still haven't grown into it because it's like a size like super large. It's actually really big, so I wear this as like a night dress, kind of nightshirt type thing. So that was the first thing to pop in there, a really comfy t-shirt, because this is not only going to be useful at night time to sleep in as your pajamas, but also as like a spare t-shirt to pop in your bag for Disney World or Disneyland, because you never know, you might spill a slushie on yourself, ice cream all down you, some hot dog, ketchup or mustard, who knows what's going to happen. Or maybe you might feel a bit sick from all of the crazy rides in Disneyland and Disney World, so who knows, you might need a little backup, or somebody that you're with might need a backup. So why not have a Disney themed one there? You're going to fit right in. It's going to look fab on you if you need to change, or it's going to be a perfect little thing to wear at night time. So this is my one with Winnie the Pooh on it there, and this is actually from Walt Disney World. I was never there, and that is my next trip. I really have to get to Walt Disney World. I've been to Disneyland in Anaheim, and I've been to Disneyland Paris, so this is my next one. I really need to get there, and I'll definitely be bringing this with me. So that is the first. Oh, that's the second. You've seen Minnie before that. Here is something that's going to be useful not only maybe on your travel, like on the plane or the train or the car or however you're going to get to Disneyland or Disney World, and also the night, like you're going to be sleeping after Disneyland. You might be sleeping in a hotel or maybe an apartment that's weird to you, and sometimes an eye mask can literally be the best thing ever. I absolutely love eye masks. I can't go anywhere without them, because you never know what the kind of blinds or curtains are going to be like, and the sun could be streaming in, and you need some good rest if you're going for maybe day 2 or even just day 1 in Disneyland or Disney park. You really need a good night's sleep, so this is going to be perfect. Or even for your travel, to get some shut-eye on the train or the plane or whatever it might be. So I have this fabulous little eye mask there, Minnie Mouse. And I did pick this up in Primark. It was only $3.50. I love that, so I popped that in there. I thought that was absolutely gorgeous, and that's going to be perfect for my traveling. Another little essential for in the park is a cap. I think a cap is great because you never know what the weather is going to be like. This is going to be good if it's really windy, if it's raining, it's going to shield your head from the rain, and if it's sunny, it's going to shield your eyes and your head as well from getting sunburn. You know what? You can never predict the weather in the Disney parks. It could be sunshine one minute and rain the next, so a cap is going to be really, really essential. I just have a plain black one because I know that it's going to go with absolutely everything that I bring with me. So, oh, it just fell on the ground. So that is so perfect, and I think that's an essential for a Disney park. Another little item, oh, I love this one. It's a Marie neck pillow, so it's a travel pillow, and I think this is fabulous for traveling. Especially if you're going on like long haul flights, and someone like me coming from Dublin to maybe Orlando, Florida, or even Anaheim, California, it's going to be a long haul flight, so something like this is an essential. And then, you know, the traveling from the airport, it's going to really come in handy at one stage, and I thought this was a perfect little addition. This was €8 in Primark. I love it. I love their Disney range in there, and I thought this is really, really cute. Look at Marie there. She's got like a little 3D bow and her little tuft of hair. Really cute and really cozy as well. It actually is. Oh, I could fall asleep right here, right now. So cozy. And this is a perfect one for traveling to and from Disneyland. I think that's kind of an essential for me. You want to be in comfort, but in Disney comfort and style at the same time. Okay, so moving on to another item, and it is a Disney Princess colouring book. It's a giant fun colouring book that I've had for years now, and anytime I'm going on a long haul flight with my neck pillow, I'll also bring a colouring book, because sometimes you can like watch a few movies, a few programs, and then you get bored and you want to do something else. So I thought a colouring book is so much fun, and you're never too old for colouring books. Adults and all now are bringing in have loads of colouring books. So I started this years ago, and I only completed like the first couple of pages, but I did them quite in detail. I don't know if you can see there's the Snow White, and the next page is like Ariel, Little Mermaid there, and I used crayon to do all of these. I had so much fun. That's like Belle before and after. Jasmine there. Oh, look how pretty. I haven't looked at these in a long time. Obviously it's been a while since I was in Disneyland Paris last year, but I mean on a long haul flight. So I think a colouring book and obviously some colours then to go with it, so I'll have to keep going with this. And I think that's a really, really good way to kill time, and you're gonna get in the Disney spirit and get ready for your Disney parks adventure, wherever it may be. Okay, so moving on. Oh, I also have some stationery in there, so that's going to come in handy for my like colouring book, or if you need to write a message, or maybe you make a pen pal in Disney parks, who knows. So I have a little Tinkerbell like stationery set there with a pen, a little scissors, a rubber, some glue. Who knows what you might need, particularly if you're going on an airplane or a train. You might get a newspaper, or your dad might have a newspaper, your mom might have a newspaper, and suddenly you want to do the crossword, or you want to do the spot the difference at the back of the newspaper, and you don't have a pen, but wait a minute, yes you do, and it's a Disney pen, even better. Another item that I think is essential, so this could be for your stay before or after the park, or even on the travel. I like to have a little pair of socks in my bag when I'm going on the plane, because the planes can be really, really cold with the air conditioning. And what's better than a pair of socks but a Disney themed pair of socks? So these are my little chipped socks. They're slightly fluffy as well, which are really nice and cozy. So I like these for the plane because your feet could be quite cold, so you can literally just pop them out of your bag if you're wearing flip-flops or whatever. Pop these on for a couple of hours, let your feet warm up, and then pop them back in your bag, and they're really nice and cozy. I absolutely love them. Look at little Chip there. I adore him. So that's another essential for me. Oh, I'll move into the front pocket because I think there's a few fun things in here as well to talk you through. Okay, the ears, of course the ears are an essential. We all know this. It's really fun to pick up a new pair of ears though when you go to a new Disney park or for another trip. You know, it's nice to have a memory from each time you visited Disneyland or Disney World, but it's also nice to bring your old ears so you can literally walk into the park with your ears on ready to go. I picked these up at Disneyland Paris. They're the 25th anniversary special and I absolutely love them, so I'm going to leave them on for a few minutes. Another little item here. Oh, I have my little Minnie Mouse washcloth. So obviously this is for the stay. It's nice to have a little washcloth even in your bag to freshen up on the airplane or the train or whatever it might be. If you get a chance to, you might want to freshen up, especially if it's a long haul flight. So I've got my little Minnie Mouse one in there. Also a little towel as well to go with the washcloth. You need to dry yourself off, and this is a good one as well if there's any like spillages in the Disney parks. You know what, you never know what situation you're going to end up. Even if you get rained on, a little towel is going to be so handy. You won't have to run to the bathroom or the restroom to sort yourself out. You can just pop your hand in your bag, get your little towel out, dry yourself off, and go back and enjoy the Disney park. So this gorgeous one here has Mrs. Potts, Chip and Lumiere on it. I love that. I think it's so cute. So it's a proper little towel, so that will definitely come in handy no matter what it is. Another item which I thought was good, especially if you're going to somewhere like Florida or California where it's going to be quite hot, is a pair of flip-flops. So your feet could get really sore walking around in whatever pair of trainers or anything you have on. You might get blisters, it's a long day, or you might just get really, really hot. And you might want to change it to some flip-flops, but why not have a really light Disney pair there? These were only €3 on Primark. They're Ariel and Flounder on the front there. How cute are they? They're quite foamy and squishy, and they're really, really comfortable. And so I thought they were kind of an essential and a must-have, you know. And even if you're walking around, say, a hotel room or an apartment, it's nice to have something on your feet because, you know, who knows how clean everything is. So it's nice to have a pair of flip-flops to pop on in your hotel room or even around the park. I have a little hair grip in there that's always going to come in handy, maybe if you're bobbing brakes or something like that and you want to go on a ride, then a little thing. So I have my little Lumiere coin purse. How cute is he? So he's all ready to go to the parks. He's like joyfully dancing there. I picked this up in Primark as well. Really, really cute. So you can put your coins in there, so everything's handy when you're buying your ice cream or maybe some ears or whatever it might be. Okay, I'm going back to the front pocket and I have my gorgeous Disney pins. I was going to say coins, they're not coins. Pins for around your neck and to hold your pass. So I did talk through these in my last Disney Parks bag video. So if you want to see in more detail, and also in my Disney huge Disney collection video, I talked through all of these pins. I've got some gorgeous ones there, Minnie Mouse and little Alice in Wonderland's Tea Party. I've got the Disneyland Castle down there, really cute. And it's nice to add to these every time you go to a Disney park. It's nice to add and get a new pin, and it's a perfect little way to show how much of a Disney fan you are at the Disney parks. You can attach your pass to it and then off you go into the park. Okay, in the side pocket here I have a couple of like little essentials. So I've got a little deodorant there. You know, it can be a very long day, or even the travel, you might want to freshen up, so that's a perfect little one. Sunglasses, you have to have a pair of sunglasses for a Disney park. Like, okay, I'm not going to put them on because my ears are on as well. So a pair of sunglasses, as I said, you never know what the weather's going to be like, so it's always good to have a pair of sunglasses. Or even if you don't have an eye mask, a pair of sunglasses are great to kind of shield out anything, especially if you want to sleep on public transport or whatever it might be. And some Vaseline there, that always comes in handy for cuts, grazes, for lips. You know, it's just great, a little all-rounder to have. And is that it? Oh, I also have some toothpaste, a mini toothpaste as well if you want to freshen up in the park or on the train or on the plane or whatever it might be. A toothpaste will always come in hand. Obviously you have your toothbrush as well, but if you don't, you know, pop a bit on your finger and off you go. But another item, let me see, I think this is the last one, and it's just a little genie coin purse as well. You could of course store like your cards, your travel documents, anything like that in there. Like really the options are endless, or you could pop all of your like little toiletries in there as well. So I think that's it, guys. I think I've talked you through everything that is in my Disney Parks bag. I think all of those items are useful in their own way, and I have done another Disney Parks vlog as well recently before this video, so if you want to check that out as well, please do. And I have some more travel essentials in there as well. But I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog. If you have, then please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below, and of course hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.